Scon Design India Private Ltd. is a renowned provider of 3D scanning services in Agartala. With their advanced technology and expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. Whether it is for product development, reverse engineering, quality control, or prototyping, Scon Design India Private Ltd. Has the capabilities to meet the diverse needs of their clients. The 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd. Are highly efficient and accurate. They employ state-of-the-art scanners that can capture even the most intricate details of an object or product. This enables them to create precise digital replicas that can be used for a wide range of applications. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that the scanning process is carried out with utmost precision and care, resulting in accurate and detailed 3D models. One of the key advantages of opting for Scon Design India Private Ltd.'s 3D scanning services is the time and cost savings it offers. Traditional methods of capturing measurements and creating prototypes can be time-consuming and expensive. However, with their advanced scanning technology, Scon Design India Private Limited can quickly capture accurate measurements and create digital models that can be used for various purposes. This not only saves time but also reduces the overall cost of the project. Moreover, Scon Design India Private Ltd.'s 3D scanning services are highly versatile and can be customized to suit the specific requirements of each client. Whether it is a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial application, their team can tailor their services to meet the unique needs of their clients. They have experience working with clients from various industries, including automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and consumer products, among others. Scon Design India Private Ltd. Is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Agartala. With state-of-the-art technology and a team of skilled professionals, they offer high-quality scanning services for various industries. Whether it's for product design, reverse engineering, or quality control, Scon Design India Private Ltd. Has the expertise to deliver accurate and detailed 3D scans. The 3D scanning services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd. Are known for their precision and efficiency. Their advanced scanners can capture even the finest details of an object, ensuring that the final 3D model is an exact representation. This level of accuracy is crucial in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical, where precise measurements are essential. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd. For your 3D scanning needs is their extensive experience in the field. They have worked with a wide range of clients, from small businesses to large corporations, and have successfully completed numerous projects. This experience allows them to understand the unique requirements of each client and deliver tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. In addition to their expertise, Scon Design India Private Ltd. also offers a quick